80% of households in the north get more in benefits than they pay in taxes. They're net recipients. The comparative figure south of the border is around half of families getting more in benefits than they pay in taxes. The ESRI did the research. Wages are higher here, but so too are taxes. But Ciara, that has obvious implications in terms of United Ireland.
I am what ardent Republicans refer to, and I know this, as a partitionist, which means I am not against a Northern Ireland being united with a Southern Ireland at all. But personally, I'm in my 50s. I don't particularly want to pay higher taxes for the rest of my life to do it. I don't feel any real sense of need for us to be for green fields and to be united. I don't want to pay more, and I don't want my children to pay more. But I also feel that if we were to unite, that we would have to embrace, because it would be the right thing to do should we do this, embrace certain unionist traditions, certain unionist values, maybe give up certain nationalist values that people talk about, the tricolour, the Aaron Levine, or the Bundock na Heron, all that kind of stuff.
Would you be willing to do that?
No, I don't want to do any of those things either. So from my and I'm just stop laughing.
So none of that hands across the border stuff.
No, well, you see, because I think if we do it, we have to do that.
Yeah,
I think,
we do.
Yeah,
we
absolutely do. And because I don't want to do either of those things, I don't want to pay more money, and I don't want to give up the tricolour. I am therefore a partitionist.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to put up my hand and say that.